Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're going to be making a patty melt with egg, onions, tomatoes, and cheese in our cast iron skillet. And we're going to be using, the patty is going to be Flanders quarter-pound beef patties with onions. But we're going to add extra onions. So let's get started. Yeah, to make our patty melt, we're going to slice up just one nice thick slice, fairly thick, of onion. We'll save the other ones for something else. About like that, right there. That ought to do it. Now I'll put this over here. Now all we need is some tomato. We're going to use probably one nice slice, like that one right there. Put this aside. Okay guys, we're going to be making our patty melt with egg, onions, tomato, and cheese all in one skillet. But for that we're going to need some help though. We're going to use our little gadget we made here with the handles. It's the air fryer basket insert. Remember we put the handles on there? That's going to help out a lot. So we're going to get started here. Yeah, you might be able to use this trivet that came with your Instant Pot. You can put the bread on top and you can fold it up, put it down in there. And you might be able to use this in place of the insert. Okay, to get started, we're going to be using our insert, and we're going to take our piece of bread, put it right in the middle there, and we're going to take this lid, like a mayonnaise jar lid or a peanut butter jar lid, and we're going to put it in the middle, and we're going to push down, make like a little pocket, just like that. Now we're going to crack an egg. Put it right in there. Just like that. We'll put that aside for now. We'll set our burner to medium. Now we add a little bit of oil. Stir that around a little. Now we just add our meat to the skillet. Just like that. And put our onion in. And we're going to put our tomato in. And we're going to put our egg in. Try to get it centered up a little. Just like that. Okay, now all we do is cover it and let it cook. Yeah, now we'll just give it a check. And just go ahead and flip over our onions and our tomato and check the burger while we're here. Put the egg back, cover up. Okay, let's give it a check and maybe start building our sandwich here. Let's check it out. Let's see how that is on the other side. Not bad. Yeah, I might have left it cook a little bit too long there that one time, huh? But that's okay. Okay, let's build our sandwich. We'll just move our hamburger out of the way, our patty. and our tomato. Grab our egg. See if we can get it off here. And we'll put it right down in there. Now we can build our sandwich. First off, we're going to put a piece of cheese on top. Before we do that, we'll just add a little salt, a little bit of pepper, add our cheese, add our meat, our patty, add some more cheese. Yeah, we like cheese. A little more pepper. Add our onion. Come on. There we go. Another piece of cheese. Oh yeah, we like cheese. Let's see if we can get our tomato up here. Yep. Okay. Just a teaspoon more salt and pepper. Not much. Now all we add is our bread top. And there you have it. Let's toast him up. Okay, let's see if we can flip it. Looks like the tomato is squeezing through there. Oh yeah. That's gonna be a good one. She's toasty. Everything's melted good. Now all we have to do is plate him up. Let's give her a flip. Oh yeah. That looks really good. I can't wait to get into that though, with all that cheese and everything in there. Onions and tomatoes. Oh yeah. Yep, that's a good one. Well, let's cut it open and see how it looks. There you have it, folks. A patty melt with egg, onion, tomato, and cheese. You can't beat that. That really looks good. Yeah, I just gotta have a little taste. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about right there. That's tasty. Lots of cheese. You know, by the time I clean up the kitchen a little bit, that sandwich is going to be gone. That sounds normal.